any issue of reparations from
No,
Lithuania?
that issue was initially solved by a contribution of the Lithuanian government to the Jewish community and something called the Goodwill Foundation, which was used to finance educational initiatives and other projects that were launched in the Jewish community. Now, with the Prime Minister Shimonaita about to visit Washington, all of a sudden Lithuanians came forward with a proposal of 37 million euros for over 12 years for the restitution of private property. I mean, this is so transparent. I mean, it's so obvious why it was happening, right? When it's happened. In the meantime, the bill hasn't passed. Mm-hmm. So she's going to Washington before the bill can possibly pass, but we'll see. And there's a lot of criticism about who is doing what with the money in Lithuania itself, within the Jewish community, because the leadership is quite controversial. And
what is the Jewish community in Lithuania today? I mean,
supposedly 5,000 Jews.
Uh-huh. Okay.
They're not only in Vilna. There's a small community in Kovna and Kaunas, smaller community in Panovich, 100 Jews or so, and Klaipeda, it's old Memel, it also has some sort of community. But I mean, it's a community that doesn't have any great future, that's obvious.
Are you able to travel still to Lithuania?
Believe it or not, yes, but I haven't been there for many years, and for about 5 years already, I think. Last time I was there was in 2016 when we launched the book, I think, or maybe after that as well. We're trying to do what we're trying to do. The fact that our government is not fighting this is very disturbing, I have to say. And the problem is that there's not enough Lithuanian Jews in Israel to create a lobby that can really affect government policy. In Poland, it's much more different. You have far more people who are Polish origin, and they're a group that's worthy of courting in electoral terms.